In this tour, we welcome you to this modern home located in the quiet cul-de-sacs in Bel Air, Los Angeles. Represented by Kirman, this house is split over 3 levels with a 3-car garage as you approach the house. The house has 9 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, 14,543 square feet of interior space built on a 0.49-acre lot. And this property is currently on the market for $24,995,000. As always, we will leave more information about the property down in the description. This contemporary mansion, hidden behind double gates in a desirable Lower Bel Air neighborhood, is an architectural success. With soaring ceilings and floor-to-ceiling Fleetwood doors, the dramatic doorway creates an open floor plan that allows natural light to permeate the interior of the home. This work of art was created with the best materials and meticulous attention to detail, with facilities that exceed all expectations and provide a new surprise at every turn. The spacious chef's kitchen, complete with professional-grade meal appliances, is the perfect setting for foodies and performers. The dining room and formal living room, which are connected to the wine cellar and champagne bar, flow smoothly into the serene environment of the spacious rear gardens, outdoor pizza cook, and pool area. The master suite, which has a separate warm sitting area, a fireplace, big terraces overlooking the mature vegetation, an elegant master bathroom, and an immense closet, is the embodiment of 5-star living, along with 8 generously proportioned guest bedrooms. The basement, which includes a trophy cinema with top-of-the-line sound system, a lounge and tequila bar, a spa and gym, and a 3-car garage, provides an unequaled luxury living experience. For all buyer types wishing to enjoy the California luxury lifestyle, this property is designed to perfection and is suitable for entertainment and leisure. I'd like to finish off by thanking you all for watching. Coming from an architecture and construction background, I always enjoy watching these luxury homes in California. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again soon.